In this video, I am going to explain about long division rule and remainder theorem. Hope you have already seen my previous videos such as Introduction to Polynomials and Zeros of Polynomials. Then only you will be understand the concept of zeros, and that zero concept will be introduced here also. So first question, divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Here I am considering 3x square plus x minus 1 as my p of x and x plus 1 as my g of x. So I am going to divide p of x divided by g of x. 3x square plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. First I am going to divide this 3x square by this x. So I will be getting 3x square by x, I will be getting it as 3x. I am writing this 3x here. Then I am going to multiply this 3x with this x plus 1. So 3x into x will give you 3x square. 3x into 1 will give you 3x. Then 3x square minus 3x square will give you 0. X minus 3x. X minus 3x. That is minus 2x. Then I am going to divide this minus 2x by this x. So minus 2x by x is x cancel. So I will be getting it as minus 2. I am writing this minus 2 here. Then I am going to multiply this minus 2 with this x plus 1. So minus 2 into this x will give you minus 2x. I am bringing this minus 1 here. Minus 2 multiplied this 1 will give you minus 2. Minus 2x minus minus 2x is 0. Minus 1 minus minus 2 is plus 1. So I got the remainder as 1. So my dividend is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1. My divisor is x plus 1 and my quotient is 3x minus 2. My remainder is plus 1. So I can write it as dividend is equal to divisor. Divisor is my x plus 1. That is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So your dividend is 3x square plus x minus 1, which is equal to your divisor is x plus 1, which is multiplied by your quotient is 3x minus 2 and plus 1 is your remainder. This can be denoted as p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. P of x is equal to g of x multiplied by q of x plus remainder r of x. There is a condition where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x should be less than g of x. Degree of r of x should be less than degree of g of x. Hence we say that p of x divided by g of x gives coefficient q of x and remainder r of x. So here your p of x and g of x are two polynomials such that degree of this p of x should be greater than or equal to this g of x, and g of x should not be equal to 0. Then we can say that p of x is equal to g of x multiplied by q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of this remainder should be less than this degree of g of x. Hence, we say that p of x divided by g of x gives coefficient q of x and remainder r of x. Your second question is divide x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a by x minus a. So, I can write it as x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, which is my p of x, divided by my g of x is x minus a. So, first I am going to divide x cube with the x, then I will be getting it as x square, then multiply this x square with the x minus a. So, x square into x will give you x cube, x square into minus a will give you minus a x square. Then x cube minus x cube 0, minus a square minus a square, this one is also 0. So, I am bringing this 6x here. So, I am going to divide also my a here, 6x by x, 6x by x is plus 6. So, 6 into x is 6x and 6 into minus a is minus 6a. So, I will be getting it as 6x minus 6x 0, minus a minus 6a, which is equal to 5a, because minus a minus 6a. So, this will be equal to plus 5a. So, I got my quotient as x square plus 6, this one, my remainder as 5a. So, you can check this with the remainder theorem. How you can check this is that here you know that your g of x is x minus a. So, your 0 of the polynomial is a. Putting x minus a is equal to 0, x will give you a. Substitute that a here. So, I can substitute here x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. My 0 of the polynomial can be found out by putting this g of x is equal to 0. Then I will be getting x is equal to a. Instead of this x, I can put a. So, I can write a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. A cube minus a into a square is a cube plus 6a minus a is 5a. So, I got the answer as 5a itself. So, my answer and remainder is correct. You can check your answer by means of zeros. Zeros of your question. Next one is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem states that let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Let's prove. Consider p of x as the polynomial with the degree greater than or equal to 1. Suppose when p of x is divided by x minus a, you will be getting p of x is equal to x minus a multiplied by q of x plus r of x. Since this x minus a is g of x. G of x into q of x plus r of x, as we have already told. Since the degree of this x minus a is 1 and degree of this r of x is less than the degree of this x minus a, so we can state that degree of this r of x is equal to 0. So, r of x is a constant. That can be written it as r. So, for every value of x, r of x will be equal to r. Therefore, p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus r. Then, by applying 0 rule, x minus a will be equal to x is equal to a. So, if x is equal to a, putting this value here, p of x will be equal to a minus a into q of x plus r, which is equal to r only. That is the remainder theorem. So, remainder theorem states that if p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Since we are putting p of x is equal to x is equal to a. We can go through one more question. Divide 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. 3x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Here x square term is absent. So, you have to consider that while doing problem. 3x raised to 4 divided by x will give you 3x raised to 3. 3x raised to 3 into x will give you 3x raised to 4. 3x raised to 3 in multiplied by minus 1 will give you minus 3x raised to 3. So, 3x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 4 0. Minus 4x cube minus 3. Minus 4x cube minus 3x cube, which is equal to minus x cube. You have to leave some space here. Then you can bring your minus 3x. That's why I have taken this problem. Then minus x cube divided by x will give you minus x square. That I can write here. Minus x square into x will give you minus x cube. Minus x square multiplied by minus 1 will give you plus x square. So, minus x cube minus x cube, which is 0. Then here 0 minus x square, that is equal to minus x square. Minus x square, bringing this 3x down, minus 3x. Minus x square divided by x, which is equal to minus x. Minus x into my x, which is equal to minus x square. Minus x multiplied by minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. Plus x, not 1, plus x. So, minus 3x minus 3x minus x, which is equal to minus 4x. Bringing this 1 down, so minus 4x minus 1. Minus 4x divided by x is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 into x is equal to minus 4x. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to plus 4. So, minus 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 5. So, I got my remainder as minus 5. You can check this remainder is correct or not by means of zeros. Here, which is the 0? Here I have divided 3x raised to 4, this polynomial with the x minus 1. Suppose x minus 1 is equal to 0, x will be equal to 1. So, I can find p of 1. P of 1 is equal to, instead of x, I can put 1. 3 into 1 raised to 4 minus 4 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So, 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 1 which is equal to minus 5. So here the remainder is minus 5. 0 of x minus 1 is 1. So by putting x is equal to 1 in p of x, we got the remainder as minus 5 itself. Hope you have understood this video. Please share my video, subscribe my channel and like my video. Then only I will be getting an inspiration to add more number of videos. Thank you.